What do we have here?
Oh, that's my FIT kit. It's time for my colorectal cancer screening.
That little kit can screen for colorectal cancer?
Yes, it's one way to screen for colorectal cancer. Colorectal cancer begins in the colon or rectum from a small growth called a polyp. A polyp is a growth of tissue that is formed from a group of cells. Not all polyps will grow into cancer. Cancer happens when the cells in the polyp grow out of control. The FIT kit just looks for hidden blood in your stool, which can be an early sign of an aggressive polyp or colorectal cancer. Since I have no family or personal history of colorectal cancer or polyps, I'm able to use the FIT kit.
I like the idea of completing the test at home, but I don't want to touch Dookie.
I'll just relax. I pee before I go number 2 and flush to make sure I have fresh water. Then just lay the paper insert provided in the kit on top of the toilet water. Then I just sit on the toilet and go. To collect my sample, I open the sample container and gently scrape the outside of the stool to make sure the sample covers the ridges of the stick completely.
Look, a pooper scooper.
Okay. Then I insert the stick back into the container and twist the lid firmly. The paper and stool is flushed down the toilet. After that, you just place the bag in the envelope provided and mail. Piece of cake.
I'll pass on that cake, but I think I can handle this.
If the test is positive, it means blood is present in my stool. My doctor said I would need a colonoscopy to look for the source of blood, which could be from a polyp, cancer, or other reason.
Wow, this is really important.
It is. But if the test comes back negative, like last time, and I've had no changes in personal or family history, I'm able to do this test again next year.
Well, I don't want to be a party pooper. I'll talk to my doctor about my colorectal cancer screening too.